Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Discord push to talk not working step by step so your voice chat works perfectly in 2026. First, check your Discord voice settings. Open user settings, go to voice and video, and make sure input mode is set to push to talk. Then, verify that the correct microphone is selected under input device. Using the wrong device often causes push to talk to fail. Next, check your keybind. Scroll to keybinds in user settings and make sure you've assigned a key for push to talk. Avoid using keys that are already reserved by other apps or system shortcuts. Test the key to confirm it works in Discord. Now, adjust the push to talk release delay. Too short or too long a delay can make your voice cut off unexpectedly. Set it to a moderate duration and test while speaking to see what works best. Another important fix is running Discord as administrator. Right-click the Discord shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This ensures the app has proper permissions to access your mic. You should also check Windows privacy and microphone settings. Go to Settings, Arrow Privacy, Arrow Microphone, and make sure Discord has permission to use your microphone. Disable exclusive mode in microphone properties under the Advanced tab to prevent conflicts. Finally, restart Discord and test push to talk in a private call or server. In most cases, these steps will fix the issue completely. If this guide helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Discord troubleshooting tips in 2026. Happy chatting.